go. Just had to move. Oh, that's a big old crappie. Damn, boy. So I'm down here at Mike's private spot. There's some monster crappie in this lake, so we shall get after it here. Get all my gear on and get my sled and crap out, and I'll see you guys on the lake. Yeah, here we are. These guys are set up over on the brush. We're gonna go right there. All right guys, we made it down here. We're still waiting on Erik. So you guys have met Mike. We've got Zilla over here. He's out here catching gills. What, you've been here 10 minutes?
10 minutes.
And he's
caught a dozen already.
There we go. So we're gonna catch some fish, guys. I'm sure we will. Mike's got his Panoptics out here. We're still waiting on Erik, if you guys remember him from last year's videos. And let's see, I brought minnows. I'm gonna get myself a hole drilled. We're gonna get to fishing, so stay tuned. Yeah, that's plenty. Damn.
Right here it is.
Yeah. There you go. That's a good one.
That's pretty good, dude. But keep it. I'm keeping it. I want to have some bluegill sandwiches tomorrow.
There's a lot. I'm getting a lot of interference. You got a lot of interference.
A lot of tree branches.
In the tree branches. Yeah. That's what I figured. There we go. Oh.
The tree branches might back out a little bit.
There's a fish on it. Is the problem?
He might kick himself loose, but I highly doubt it.
Dang it, guys! First fish tonight. Snagged it.
Is that your first 2020 fish?
Yeah, first fish of the new year.
2021 fish.
First 2021 fish, and he just wraps me right up.
Well, I can see what 2021 says it
They come out, and there we go. All right. Bogus. You guys done caught like 10 fish, and I have barely even got a hook in the water. I can see a mark though, so already I got some.
put you on a terrible spot.
Put them right there. You ain't gonna catch nothing. Because I haven't cracked my beer open.
That's key, brother. That's key. We talked about this.
Yeah.
Grounds for getting picked off the ice. And you gotta do it right.
Whoosh. There we go. One's jamming up to it. Come on. There we go. There we go.
Yeah.
Nice gill.
Big old gilly.
Boom. Well, first one of the day for me, guys. I'm gonna send him back down the hole.
What is up, bro? Hey.
Friend,
What's up, man?
how's it going? I walk up, Mike has a fish on. Quady, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing good. How are you, buddy?
Good, good.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you.
Happy to be out for a little bit.
All right.
These guys are just hammering them.
Well, hello, Father.
Doing dad stuff?
Here's a fish. Here's a fish right here.
Okay. Yeah, I see you moving.
What's up,
What's
player?
going on? Long time no see, brother.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you. Quady, what do you think, man?
I'm happy to be out.
Yeah. On some safe ice, not falling on your butt.
Not yet.
You have to have at least one fall.
Well, I lost a jig like first drop down.
Oh,
got
okay.
wrapped.
Well, that's fitting then.
Yeah, wrapped around a tree, knocked it out right away, so I didn't have to wait.
Well, you know, got that out of the way.
Yeah.
Might be a little honey.
Now you can re-rig and start fishing.
Hopefully I catch another one. I only caught one fish, and these guys like pulled in 10 over here. Oh, yeah, there we go. Well, I lost it. Not a bad gill.
There's a kind of a tanker.
Yeah, it's not bad.
I want to find what those crappie.
I know, them crappie were ginormous.
Oh, they're probably MAs by now.
Given the summer, yeah. There we go. Nice. That's a big, that's like a big green sunfish.
Ah, something came up to it. Dang.
Missed it.
Yeah, where's he at?
Nice green sunfish, guys. He's got a big old mouth on him. Have you pulled anything in yet?
Not yet.
Bless this hole. Kind of. There you go.
There's something on me.
Get him. There you go.
We're on. First little guy.
It was all about the blessing of the hole.
Yeah, it was.
Hey,
There we
dude,
go.
first ice fish of the year. I'll take it.
There you go.
Heck yeah. And I get my waxy back. Blow, blow.
Bam.
Let's keep it up.
Zilla's over here in a big deep hole. 18 foot right there, like right off the bank here, guys. I'm about to step on a hole if I'm not careful. I've pulled in a couple fish, schminnows, and we got Mike over here tearing it up with Panoptics. As you can see, these guys got some fish on the ice here. He's got some over here.
Get the old Minnesota crack on it.
Man, that's a big one right there.
Yeah, this whole lake, remember it used to be the sand bottom, but ever since the flood, there's been moss all over the bottom. Like I go out catfishing and I always put my bait on bottom. You know, I do the slip rig. And
That seems good. Damn, boy! That's a big gill.
that might be a master angler, dude.
Whoo, buddy.
That's close.
What is it?
Big gill.
Is it 10 inches?
10
Yeah.
inches we made.
I'm gonna have to measure this one, guys. Ow! Don't poke me.
Please be 10, please be 10, please be 10.
Dude, it's like 9 and
7/8.
7/8. I mean, pretty much. You might be able to stretch him out now. Like he's just right at 10. But
That's a monster.
yeah, yeah. You see that? Hold that tail together. Oh, just right there.
Dude, that's 10 in my book.
But I can tell you what, guys, he's gonna taste good.
What gang's that?
Gang, gang, gang.
Oh,
I listened to that day we were out on your boat. You said play that Schizo by.
Jaron Benton.
Yeah,
Oh,
dude,
yeah.
I've been jamming the shit out of that.
Dude, just look up his stuff.
That dude's crazy.
There was
Dude,
something
he's
like
crazy.
Cadillacs and something else.
Cadillacs and Chevys.
Dude, his shit is good.
Dude, I was listening to him on the way down here.
It's good stuff.
Dude, he is entertaining. Yeah, he's got some good ass shit. If you go through his stuff.
Pull up with 20 Ubers with trappers, rappers, and a couple shooters.
Oh, damn, son.
Hey!
Got something going on. Oh,
There we go.
There he is.
That's
the
what
crappie we're looking
that
for.
is gotta be an MA.
That's the crappie we were looking
That has
for.
gotta be
That
an
dude
MA.
is huge. That's an MA.
And I knew if you'd keep your bait just outside the tree,
Yeah.
this crappie come picking them off.
Holy cow. Wow. That is a thing.
It's huge.
I think he's 13 and 5/8.
Oh, he's bigger than that.
No, yeah.
14.
You can bring it back
13 and
farther.
5/8.
You can you can bring it back farther.
Oh yeah,
Yeah, you're the lip.
Yeah.
14 and a quarter.
Yeah, just over 14.
That is a tank,
That
boy.
is a big crappie.
Hell yeah, man.
That's the
catch,
crappie
Mike.
that we look for out here. I mean,
Fat. Was that the,
That is thick.
you just had minnow, right?
look at his tail, it's all beat up.
Yeah.
Should I keep him?
Nah.
Nah.
I'm about to keep one if I get a decent one.
Well, that was awesome, guys. I'm over here trying to get another rod set up, and he hammered one. That one hit on a dead stick. Dead stick
I'm thinking about moving back a little
Minnow.
bit.
minnow. Yeah, maybe move back off the tree a hair. There we go, boys.
There's a crappie just outside the tree.
Got him.
Ooh.
Big ol' crap.
Nice.
All right, I gotta change what I'm doing here.
Yeah, right. I did
Dude.
back up a little bit. Fishing here with more spoons.
Mm.
Spoons and minnow head.
How deep, Pastor? Off the bottom.
Tank.
Tank.
That's awesome, guys.
I'd love to keep him, but we'll throw him back. We'll keep that crappie population going. So I'll catch his ass this spring when Mike invites me down again.
There you go.
There it is. Monster.
Oh, dang.
That is a monster.
It's a crappie. I see it.
There you go.
Nice.
That's not bad.
Yeah,
That's-
it's about 10 or so.
That's an eater.
10, 11.
Very nice.
Thank you, sir. He was shallow too. He was about 6 foot. I'm sitting 12 foot. He was about 6 foot. There's another one right there. Get down and get him. I ain't got no bait anymore, but feel that way, buddy.
I can't catch a crappie to save my life. I'm not having much luck, guys. I think I need to, I don't know, try a different hole or something. I'm sitting over here in the Dead Sea. Erik's got a crappie. Zilla's catching a few here and there.
Still working on that crappie.
He was hammering him in the tree, but he kept getting wrapped up.
Oh, there's a mark. What back? There we go.
There you go, got him.
Big bluegill.
Very nice.
Bad little hand size.
Not
Oh,
bad. Not bad at all.
good colors, healthy fish. Back they go.
All right, I gotta figure something else out. I'm not catching anything, guys. There we go. Just had to move hole. That's a big old crappie. Damn, boy.
Oh, yeah.
That's a tank. That is a tank, guys. Look at
Holy
that.
shit. I
That
was
is-
just there.
That is huge.
I was literally just there.
Oh, monster crappie. I'm gonna have to measure this guy. I just had to move holes, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and measure this one and see what he looks like.
That is awesome. 13 and 3/4. I got some big ass marks.
Chill out, bud. $14 and a half.
You're almost there, bud.
14 and a quarter probably.
Close.
That is a tank, guys. That is a monster, but we're gonna let these crappie go. We're just keeping gills today. Hopefully I can hook into another gill, but I'm really happy to get this one.
Good job, Quady.
Hell yeah.
All right, we'll get this guy back down the hole. Super happy on that one.
Oh yeah.
Out on the lake with Quady. Catch up a few more fish. Mix it with some gravy, maybe. It's probably not what I prefer, but he brought the burr and he's got another one hooked up in here.
There we go.
Nice.
Nice.
See, a little, you know, I'm fish whispering.
There we go.
You know, they like the subtle tones of my voice. Makes them feel
There we go. Got another one. While Zilla was flowing, he called it in. We're gonna go ahead and keep this one. He's not huge, but I want to at least make it at even 4 because I've only got 3 gills on the ice. Everybody's gonna have some fish tacos tonight.
Some fish tankos.
Did you get one?
Yeah, just a little guy.
Well guys, there's the last one I caught. We're getting cleaned up here. Here's all Mike's fish. Yeah. Here's my haul for the day. There's casters. Well, you got any more over there? No. And Zilla got himself a few. He's gonna transport them over the bush light box. Here we go. We all caught a few fish, guys. It was a blast coming out here. I'm glad Mike came down and checked the spot so we could make it out here today, because it's supposed to warm up next week. And if you can see, the ice was heavily deteriorating today while we were out here. In fact, like right there is 2 inches, and we're sitting on what, 4 or 5 here, something like that ish. But we all caught some fish. We had a great time. Anyways, guys, I guess stay tuned for the next adventure, and I'll see you in a bit.
Peace.